How to create a private repository in GitHub. Welcome to another develop and design tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a private GitHub repository. From your GitHub dashboard, you want to click the New button found in the top left of the page. Now in the first form field, we want to give our repository a name, then give our repository a description. Then select Private so that we are in control of who can see and update our repository. Then check Add a README file so that we can write a longer description for our repository later on. Then let's choose a gitignore template for the type of project we have. For this project, let's choose Laravel. Now you can also choose which license you want to include, but for now, let's go with none. Now let's press the Create Repository button. And there we have our private GitHub repository. If you have any questions about this, then please leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you found this video useful, then please give it a like and hit the subscribe button.